Right across the street here is Big Country Restaurant. I have no idea. High Point Sales. Wow. It's kind of tiny to be a gun store. Oh, that's not what it is. Never mind. What can I say? It's such a fine place. Good tire service. Good tire service. I like that. Open up a place next door. Better tire service. Open up a place next to that. Best tire service. And right next door to that, ultimate tire service. I mean, I guess it's like never ending, but anyway. Just a thought. I have no idea where I'm at again. Just enjoying the beautiful farmland of northwestern Pennsylvania. Yep. Doesn't get any better than this, he said with a smile. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice. Decent property here. Decent land. They do pretty well farming this dirt, I'll tell you that. Quite amazing, really. Weight limit 8 tons. Hey, I think we're safe. Weight limit 3 tons. Huh. It's close. No, I don't even know what this thing weighs. 223 556 AR-15 Avenue. What? 223 556 millimeter M16 lane. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. As long as they don't start shooting at you. Really nice back here. Gotta say, I like it. Truly. Beautiful country. According to Garmin, this is called Eagle Furnace Road. I wonder how many of those are in Pennsylvania. I think I'm having another high pollen alert day. There's quite a few of those. everything's, you know, pretty much in bloom all year. Here it's like, woof. As soon as the cold weather's done, it's like, woof. It's an explosion of pollen. Some of these people just love living here. They spend like every other day, literally, mowing their lawn. I'm like, what's it grown? An inch? Half an inch? Quarter of an inch? I don't know. But they love doing this stuff. I knew a guy, his front yard, I'm not exaggerating, was like 25 feet by 30 feet. He bought like, I don't know, a $4,000 riding tractor. And then he had to buy a shed to put it in out back, which the backyard was probably 20 by 25, maybe, if that. And I'm like, dude, do you really think you needed a commercial tractor to mow your yard? And I guess he did. He felt the need for it. He's an interesting guy. But anyway, he moved away. Okay, I've seen the name of this road somewhere. This is called Night School Road. It's K-N-I-G-H-T. Yeah, they have some unusual name roads here.